2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, overhead console, power moonroof. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.